In this video, we will discuss general trike history, and then dive into the early stages of the trike build. Now, we begin with this Morgan three-wheeler, which was powered by a front-mounted V-twin driving through a 2 or 3-speed gearbox, built to take advantage of a loophole in British law which says that three-wheeled vehicles are actually motorcycles and not cars, hence road tax is less, you don't need a full license. Then there was the Isetta of the 1950s and 60s, which was originally designed with 4 wheels, 2 very close to one another at the back, but was in any event a very neat piece of compact design. As was the Messerschmitt KR200 of around the same time, which had the 2 occupants sitting in tandem. And then there was the what the moment in automotive history, which we call the Peel P50. The Corbin Sparrow, that absurd little electric three-wheeler, and the high-mileage trikes developed by Paul Elkins of elkinsdiy.com. You may have noticed that the aesthetic of the trike is hardly 1950s bubble car, and there is a good reason for this. It is because of cycle cars, one of the peculiar little fads of the first 2 decades of the 20th century, but one which nonetheless appeals to me. Like this Grafton, for instance, or the GN Spider, or this random one which I can't quite put a name to. Anyways, so much for that. From all that, inspiration emerged an idea, transcribed onto paper of course. Bring the idea to life, steel. 2 motorbike front wheels, 1 motorbike rear wheel, and an engine.